Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share a route on the Strava application. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and download the Strava application if you don't have it already on your phone. Of course, if you have it, that will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, once it's downloaded, you will have to open it up. And if it's your first time, they'll actually ask you to log in into your account. If you have an account before, make sure to go and log in into it. But if you don't have it, you'll have to go and create an account. Of course, make sure to create an account because you will need that to access the app. And they will provide you with 3 options to create an account. You can create your account with Facebook, Google, and even email. Choose whatever suits you, and once you created your account or logged in into your account, you'll normally find yourself here at this home option of the Strava application, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. And here you'll normally see your posts, your friends' posts, and etc. But what we said, we would like to share a route on the Strava application. So how can you share routes? You can share a suggested route by tapping the see details, of course, on the share icon to open your phone share tray. So let's say an example, you have this post as an example, and you actually choose some routes here. For me, I don't have any routes here, but let's say an example, you have some routes on this post. So of course, if you want to share it, simply click at the share button. And normally you'll have here other applications if you want to share outside of Strava. But here I have downloaded just the Strava application. So why? That's why I have just the Strava application. So of course, if I want to share my routes, I'll have just to click at, if I want to share it like to Instagram or to Facebook or anything, I'll have just the option to do that. I'll have just to click wherever I want to share it. For me, I have just Strava as I see. And here they just created a post for me. I can just publish it real fast. And as you can see, if I refresh, the routes will, or my post will be actually shared to other socials. So of course, if they click on the link, they will actually take them into your post of Strava. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.